Oh my gosh. Oh guys, you have to see this video. So about a year ago when I first started YouTube, I made this video basically trying to impersonate PewDiePie's comedic style. I didn't exactly try to be PewDiePie, but I thought, you know, he's the top dog YouTuber. Why don't I try to recreate some of the things that he does in his videos? And I'll just say it's a little bit cheesy. So my next video that I'm going to make in the series of this NewTuber discussion and talking about what to do when you're new on YouTube is going to be about content. The first thing that popped into my head when I was thinking about content was this video, because I was trying to make content that's way outside of anything that I've done before, but I knew did well on YouTube. So I didn't really go down this path of being comedic, but I want to share it with you guys. And tune in next time to my next video where we're going to talk about creating content and how to find material and situations and environments that works for you. Alright guys, I hope you find this video funny, and I will see you in the next one. Hey, what's up bros and girls? How's everyone doing today? So, I've been doing YouTube for, I'd say about 3 or 4 months, something like that. And I've noticed something. It's not exactly what I expected. I came into YouTube thinking that I'm going to be famous. Everyone's going to love my videos and I'm going to have millions of likes. Well, after 3 months, I can tell you that is not the case. I think there's something called hard work and perseverance that I have to do. Oh, what an interesting idea. In order to make money and be successful, you have to work hard. And you have to be good at what you do. Oh, and the one thing your mom never told you, there's competition. That's right. There's 6 billion people who are doing the exact same thing that you're doing. We have to think now. We have to put on that light bulb and really figure out how to separate ourselves in order to become successful. So I can do videos every day instead of actually going to work and working for somebody else. I can work for YouTube. It's definitely a little bit of a surprise. I'm pretty angry at YouTube. You came to me and you looked so nice. And you made so many other people famous. And that's all I wanted you to do for me. Did that happen? No. No, not at all. Maybe it'll take a few years. Maybe you'll have to do what all the other people that are successful have to do. What a jump! Give it to me now. I want to be famous now. That's kind of the funny thing that goes on whenever people see something really awesome. Like when I was a teenager, I wanted to be a movie star. Oh, big surprise. Because I wanted all that success and fame and nice cars. And it doesn't come as easy as you think it would. And then here comes YouTube, and there's a part of me, oh, I'm so human. There's a part of me that wants that success, that wants to live a lavish, luxurious life. And I thought I would have it after a month. But I see that is not the case. I'm very devastated. I don't know if I can keep doing this, you guys. I'm gonna have to think about it for a little while. I didn't realize it would take so much. I'm only one man. I only have so much time. Do I want to spend it looking at my little phone, trying to see the next video? Do I want to spend it chasing around PewDiePie, trying to be just like him? These are all really important questions we have to ask ourselves. And that's what I'm starting to do now. I will see. I'm not done with you yet, YouTube. That was a jerk move, you fool. I thought I'd be famous by now. I thought I'd be getting $10,000 a day. But I see that's not how life works. Okay, I forgive you. Maybe I overthought a few things. Maybe I was a little too optimistic, too millennialistic. So we'll get back to it. I'll try again. I'll try hard. But if you're thinking about doing YouTube, just be careful. Because it's harder than you think. Have a good day, Chris.